ASVAB Mechanical Comprehension. Gears, levers and pulleys, the rules that answer every question. Gear rules. Speed and direction, meshed gears turn in opposite directions, smaller gear equals faster rotation. Gear trains, multiple gears in a row equals gear train, even number of gears, last gear same direction as first. The three lever classes. Class 1 and 2, Class 1, fulcrum in middle, scissors, sisa, changes direction, Class 2, load in middle, wheelbarrow, multiplies force, same direction as effort. Class 3, effort in middle, tweezers, baseball bat, increases speed/distance, all levers obey, effort times effort arm equals load times load arm. Question 1 of 3. Gear A has 20 teeth and Gear B has 10 teeth. They are meshed together. If Gear A turns once, how does Gear B turn? Option A, Gear A turns faster. Option B, Gear B turns faster. Option C, they turn at the same speed. Option D, cannot be determined. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, Gear B turns faster. When two gears mesh, the smaller gear always turns faster. Gear ratio equals teeth of driving gear/teeth of driven gear. Gear A, 20, drives Gear B, 10, B turns 2 times faster. Gear B makes 2 rotations for every 1 rotation of Gear A. Question 2 of 3. What is the primary mechanical advantage of using a lever? Option A, the lever reduces the force needed. Option B, the lever multiplies the force. Option C, the lever changes the direction of force. Option D, all of the above depending on lever type. Take a moment. The correct answer is D, all of the above depending on lever type. Class 1 levers, fulcrum in middle, change direction. Class 2 levers, load between fulcrum and effort, multiply force. Class 3 levers, effort in middle, increase distance/speed, not force. Each class has a different advantage. Question 3 of 3. If you add more pulleys to a pulley system, what happens to the effort required to lift a load? Option A, the effort needed decreases. Option B, the effort needed stays the same. Option C, the effort needed increases. Option D, the distance traveled decreases. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, the effort needed decreases. A compound pulley system reduces effort with each additional pulley. With 1 pulley, same force as load. With 2 pulleys, half the force. With 4 pulleys, quarter the force. Trade-off, you pull more rope. You scored 2 out of 3. Mechanical comprehension determines which technical military jobs you qualify for. Practice gear and lever problems daily.